Hello everyone. Today's video is about how to create and edit shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First open ArcGIS Pro and then create a project folder. Going to give it a name, creating and editing shapefile, and then create map and location. Select your project location, then OK. Creating project. Yes, now go to folder and connect your folder. Okay, creating and editing shapefile. Just right click here and then go to new and then shapefile, and here geometry type. First we will create point shapefile and I'm going to give it a name point and coordinate system. If you click here, you will find here geographic and projected coordinate system. So in my case I'm going for geographic coordinate system world and then WGS 9084. Then click OK and then click run. You can see here point shapefile has been added here. Go to edit and then create features. You can see here the point shapefile has been created. Just click here and now you can work on it. And if you go to attribute table, then you can see here your created point. Yeah, it has been added. Yes, the third point. Click save and edit save. And if you want to add more table, more field here, just click add and then field name. You can change the field name here. I'm going to rename it as a name and data type text, and then click save. Yes, you can see here another field named name has been created. Just click here. Here is your point and you can give it a name. Just click here and click save all edits. Yes. Okay, then I will create polyline shapefile. So for that, again go to your project folder and new and shapefile and feature class name polyline. You can give it any name and geometry type polyline, and then again coordinate system. So click here and WGS 9084. Click OK and then click on run. You can see here polyline shapefile has been added, and if you go to create, you can see here polyline. So just click here. I'll draw a polyline here. You can change the color. Just double click here and select any color that you want. And now I'm creating a polyline for a river. Just double click here to finish or just click here. Yes. and this option for clear selection. Double click here or this option, then clear selection. And if you want to join two line here from here to here, then just click on snapping and then create a line. Yes, and it will snap in vertex. Double click, and if you go to attribute table, you will find here your created polyline. And if you want to add more field, just as usual, what I did for the point is same. Name and data type, text, save, and you can see here the another field has been created, and you can now name it. Save edits. Yes. So polyline shapefile has been done, and now I will go for polygon shapefile. So again, just right click and then new, and then shapefile, and feature class name. So I'm going to name it polygon, and geometry type polygon, and then coordinate system WGS 9084 geographic coordinate system GCS, and click on run. Yes, polygon has been created. You can see here in edit feature. If you can find here, just click in edit and then create feature. Now I will create some polygon feature. Very simple. Double click here or this one. You can change the color. You can select any, for example, I'm selecting only outline. I will create another polygon. Yes, click here for finish. And if you go to attribute table, you will see your created polygon here. And if you want to add more field here, just click in add, and then again name it as per your preference, and data type. If it is text, then text, and if it is numerical, then floating, or yeah, then save. Yeah, here you can see the name field has been added, and now you can give it a name. For example, I'm going to give it a name lake 1 and lake 2, and then save all edits. Yes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy.